Alright, so today you're going to practice the distance formula and the midpoint formula. Now, we learned these on Friday, and I want to quickly review the assignment that you're going to do today. Now, number 1 says, what is the distance formula? Now, if you have your notes or your composition notebook, you can write the distance formula right here. If you don't, I'm going to go ahead and write it for you. So the distance formula is x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. And we're going to find the square root of all of this. Okay, so go ahead and take a moment and write this formula down. And again, you're going to find the square root of everything inside. Now I'm going to go ahead and work number 2 for you. Number 2 says find a distance between each pair of points. So number 2, the 2 pair of points we have is 4, negative 4 and negative 3, negative 6. Now I'm going to plug them into the formula. So x1, x2, y1, y2. Okay, so I have to take negative 3 and subtract 4 square plus negative 6 minus negative 4 square. Okay, and I'm going to find the square root of all of that. Okay, so let's work this first one. Negative 3 minus 4 is going to give us negative 7. And negative 6 minus negative 4 is going to give us negative 2. Okay, so negative 7 times negative 7, or negative 7 squared, is going to give us 49, plus negative 2 squared, which is going to give us 4. 49 plus 4 is 53. So the answer is the square root of 53. Alright, and I want you to go ahead and leave it in square root form. Do not change it or estimate it. Alright, I'm going to skip ahead to number 16, which is the midpoint formula. Okay, so number 16 says, what is the midpoint formula? Again, if you don't have your notes in front of you, I'm going to go ahead and write it down for you. The midpoint formula is the average of the x's and the average of the y coordinates. So the midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2. Okay. Number 17, they want you to find the midpoint of the line segment with the given endpoints. So x1, x2, y1, y2. Okay, so I need to add 0 plus 10 over 2, 4 plus negative 1 over 2. Alright, so this is going to give me 10 over 2 for my x, and for my y, it's going to be 3 over 2. Now, 10 over 2 is an improper fraction, which is another form of division. 2 goes into 10 5 times, so this becomes 5. 3 over 2 is also an improper fraction, and we're going to simplify it by dividing. 2 goes into 3 1 whole time, with a remainder of 1 and 1/2. Okay, so my coordinates are 5, 1, and 1/2. Hope this helps you out. Make sure to complete this all, and whatever you don't finish is for homework. Thanks, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.